Okay, so quick demo for you. This is me using Claude to run Gemini Notebook, start to finish. Now, there's no native connector between these two yet. Doesn't matter. So I just asked Claude, hey, take my research notes, load them into a notebook, and build out whatever you think would be useful. And it really does do the whole thing right in the browser. The sources go in, it writes up the summary, and then you can ask questions and get real answers back with citations. And then you get to the fun part, which is the studio. So it made me a slide deck, an infographic, a mind map, all of that from the one markdown file. And then it even made me a podcast. 2 hosts, 20 minutes, just talking through my notes. Here, listen to this for a second.
Imagine a massive automotive assembly line, right? Just turning out 100 car doors every single hour.
Oh, yeah, it's a completely relentless pace.
Exactly.
Pretty wild, right? Now, if you want to go deeper, look up MCP. That's the open standard for this kind of thing. But nothing official connects these two today. So for now, one prompt and a browser. That's the whole trick.